In previous lesson, we have learned how every cell is surrounded by protein-like structure and these structures are called antigens. Bacterial cell is surrounded by antigens as well as human cell is also surrounded by antigens. Although virus is not a cell but it is still surrounded by antigens. Our immune system recognizes foreign cell only because of the presence of these antigens. Because different kinds of antigens are present on each and every cells. These antigens are called major histone compatibility complex 1. These antigens are called major histones compatibility complex 1. Major histone compatibility complex 1. Our immune system protects the body from possibly harmful substance by recognizing and responding to antigens present on the outer surface of the cell. Antigens are substances, usually proteins. These are proteins on the surface of cells like viruses, although virus is not a cell, fungi or bacteria. Non-living substances such as toxins, chemicals, drugs and foreign particles can also be antigens. The immune system recognizes and destroys or tries to destroy substances that contain antigens. Our body's cells have different proteins that are antigens. These include a group of antigens called HLA antigens. Our immune system does not react against HLA antigens. It responds to only foreign antigens. Our body contains HLA antigens and our immune system does not respond to HLA antigens. Our immune system consists of two types of WBC. Our innate immune system consists of white blood cells and these blood cells plays an important role in providing innate immunity. WBCs are of two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil. Neutrophils. Neutrophils are most abundant WBC. Most abundant. These are most abundant white blood corpuscles. These are phagocytic in nature. These are phagocytes. On the other hand, agranulocytes are also of two types, monocytes and lymphocytes. Monocytes leads to macrophages. These macrophages are also phagocytic in nature and they engulf foreign particles like bacteria by endocytosis. They just engulf bacteria by endocytosis. In case of normal bacterial infection, neutrophils and macrophages destroy them by engulfing. But sometimes